Happiness in words, building your vocabulary. Euphoria, a feeling of intense happiness or excitement. Hindi meanings, Utsah. Example, winning the lottery brought a sense of euphoria to the lucky winner. Blissful, extremely happy, full of joy. Hindi meanings, Anandmay. Example, after a long day, taking a warm bath can be a blissful experience. Jubilant, feeling or expressing great happiness and triumph. Hindi meanings, Ullapurn. Example, the team was jubilant after winning the championship game. Serene, calm, peaceful, and untroubled, tranquil. Hindi meanings, Shant. Example, walking through a beautiful garden can create a serene and relaxing atmosphere. Ecstatic, feeling or expressing overwhelming happiness or joyful excitement. Hindi meanings, Unmat. Example, the audience was ecstatic after the band's amazing performance. Radiant, shining brightly, full of joy and happiness. Hindi meanings, Prakashmay. Example, the bride looked radiant in her beautiful wedding gown. Content, satisfied with what one is or has, not wanting more or anything else. Hindi meanings, Santusht. Example, after a delicious meal, feeling content and happy is a great way to end the day. Elated, extremely happy and excited, often because of something that has happened or been achieved. Hindi meanings, Utsahit. Example, when the team scored the winning goal, the fans were elated. Exultant, feeling or expressing great happiness and triumph, jubilant. Hindi meanings, Harshollapurn. Example, the athlete was exultant after winning the gold medal. Delighted, feeling or showing great pleasure, very pleased. Hindi meanings, Prasann. Example, the children were delighted to receive gifts on their birthday. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.